Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to morph your face on the Faceapp. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for Faceapp. This app is completely free. Since I have already downloaded it, I'll open the app. You can do morph with your own photo if you want to, or otherwise you can select a celebrity's photo. So I'll just select a celebrity's photo by tapping on celebrity from the bottom of the screen and select a celebrity. Now I'll just choose a picture and tap use, and the picture will load. Now swipe left and tap on Faceapp. Then tap on morphing. Now it will ask you to find a celebrity, or you can also do it with your own photo. I'll just tap find celebrity and select another celebrity. Select a picture and tap use. And it will take a few moments to morph. Here you can see the result. You can also do reverse morph by tapping on reverse. Here is the results. Now you can save this photo on your phone, share it via WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and others. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.